Gonzalez.
Okay, 12 rounds ito para sa bakanteng WBO Intercontinental Junior Featherweight Championship. Prince Albert Pagara, naka-neon green. Ang kalaban mula Nicaragua, si Gonzalez, nakaputi. Oh, papasok ang straight ni Gonzalez. Yeah, very aggressive. And, you know, Gonzalez is known to be a strong fighter with a lot of power. Yun nga, the only thing medyo disadvantage kanya, matagal na siyang hindi lumaban. His first fight.
Very good counter for Pagara.
So, nakadalawang knockout win na po tayo.
Very good counter hook for Pagara. He's doing it right now. He's looking and he's aiming for a good counter. But you see the power of
Prince Albert.
Of Gonzalez as well. He's throwing
Gonzalez
wide punches, and they are very, very dangerous punches. The good thing about Pagara is very patient. And that's what he should be, is be patient.
Sana hindi siya
Very low. That was a very, very low.
You gotta bring that up. Masariba. You okay? Need a second? No? Good? Box.
So dito rin nag-ensayo si Albert Pagara sa Amerika. Loved it as well. Big test for him. Oh, solid.
They're both
may
very strong.
Yeah, ang lalakas ng dalawang.
The intensity when they put together. Pag sumusuntok sila,
nakakatakot no nito.
Very good counter.
Sabi nga
Good
nila,
straight in the hook.
sabi niya, may tutumba dito sa fight na to. Pareho nilang sinabi sa press conference.
Both guys have incredible power.
Oh, wow,
good left hook. Good counter. Good counter.
Ako, kailangan mag-ingat.
What's behind the head? In the cabeza.
Oh boy.
Pagara stalking, but being patient and trying to counter. Ito naman si Gonzalez, being southpaw is very difficult, especially na aggressive, because elbows, headbutts. It was blocked, partially blocked, but mafe-feel mo pa rin yun eh, kahit na natamaan ka.
Good aggression there mula kay Pagara.
In terms of overall talent, mas maganda tong, he rocked them with that.
Left,
Good straight.
solid straight.
Very good straight, very good hook. Pagara is very patient right now. He's actually fighting like a veteran.
Unang laban sa Amerika rin ni Prince Albert, ang mas bakang Pagara. Kanina, ang kanyang kapatid si Jason nanalo via knockout. Second round.
I've seen Pagara train, and he trains like 10 times more than me. This guy is a machine.
I know.
Very good straight.
Yung kanyang straight. Pinagmamalaki nga niya yung mga pandesal niya sa tiyan, the way
And he's trying to counter with that hook. Good body shot.
Woo!
Good one too for Gonzalez. Also, good counter. He's finding the rhythm. Pagara is finding that rhythm.
Hard hitting.
round.
Oh, that's the important thing. Like we were making cuento earlier. You can train only so much, but the mind has to be the one that will make you win.
That's the
Or
mindset.
determine how far you go. Round 2. Pagara versus Gonzalez. Para sa WBO Intercontinental Junior Featherweight belts. Pinoy Pride 33 Philippines versus the world. Dayan Castillo ko po. Kasama si Nonito Donaire. Nalalaban sa Disyembre. Abangan natin yan, Nonito, diba? December 11 sa Puerto Rico. And you're fighting?
Cesar Suarez ng Mexico. Yeah.
Juarez. Alright, so that was a very hard-hitting first round.
And now they know that they're both powerful, kaya nga
medyo nag-iingat.
nag-iingat silang dalawa.
Kailangan nyo hindi maging careless o magmadali itong si Prince Albert. Oh, nakapaw, ganda.
Very good one too.
Ganda yung one to ni Prince Albert.
Kahit ako, natamaan ako nung straight ni Albert ng ganyan. It's very, very fast and very precise.
Definitely mas mabilis si Prince Albert kay Gonzalez, pero Gonzalez got the power too.
And kahit mas mabagal ka or less talented, pag may power ka, there's always a chance of winning.
Yes. At kailangan, when you throw, kailangan mag-ingat ka kasi baka bumalik sa'yo ng mas malakas.
Especially mga Latin fighters.
Laban
sumasabay palagi, especially with the power.
So this is Pinoy contra Latino.
Lakas. Being live, maririnig mo talaga. Very good straight and very good left hook.
Tapang talaga. Oh, wow, solid right. Wala Prince Albert.
Pagara's counter punching and moving. Ang maganda kay Pagara is pag sumusuntok siya,
Let him go,
dumidiretso siya sa
Albert. Albert, let him go, Albert.
yung part na hindi ka makita, the blind spot.
Nobody punch. Stop,
So pag
stop,
sumusuntok siya,
stop. Listen.
pumupunta siya sa
You have
blind
mine in.
spot.
Box.
Kaya nga hindi siya matatamaan. And then he comes back for another counter. He's executing it beautifully.
Malapitan laban to, no?
Albert, bring it up, Albert.
At close range. Medyo wild din kay Gonzalez. Again, body shot from Prince Albert. Nag-enjoy ang mga Pinoy dito sa StubHub Center.
Just the power that these two guys
Yeah.
are throwing.
This is a
What
12-round
about-
fight. Kailangan mag-ipon muna sila ng lakas, ano?
Albert, you got to bring it up, Albert.
You know, I'm inspired watching Albert train.
Oh,
he
down. Oh,
He hit him under.
He hit him.
I think he hit him.
after he fell
He was down. Oh,
We
he's
got to
playing
put some of the
now.
guys down. Relax. Okay.
That was a clear
5-minute
knockdown.
clock. Okay.
That was a clear
Listen.
knockdown. It's just that
Okay.
He punched him after the
After,
knockdown.
yes.
Tingnan natin ang ano.
Respira. ¿Está bien? Respira.
replay.
Respira.
So ngayon, yung referee tinatanong
Okay.
si
¿Está bien? Stand up. Stand
Gonzalez
up. Come
kung
on.
kaya
I'm gonna give you
niya.
5
Pero
minutos.
palagay ko,
Stand up.
nagpapahinga lang to.
Albert, hey, get over there. No, get over there. Albert. Hey,
Lahat
go
naman
stand over
si
there.
Prince Albert. Akala niya tapos na yung fight.
yeah, hindi niya
Stay
akalain
here.
na he has
5
a
minutes,
foul.
okay? Just relax. Okay.
So when that
No, no,
happens,
no.
how many minutes is
I'm not
there?
going to give him
5
5 minutes. I'm just going to give him a couple of minutes to get his head on straight. Listen, you want to do my job or am I going to do my job? Okay. Albert, you got to be very careful. You just hit him while he was on the ground. Okay, I could disqualify you right now. You understand?
He's apologizing,
Apologize.
Albert.
Yeah. Sobrang ano
Kasi
kasi
minsan naman,
gigil eh.
Listo?
hindi mo maano yun eh. Kasi
Necesito
you're going
más
with the
tiempo?
competition.
Yeah, yung adrenaline.
You're flowing,
Cuatro.
you're flowing, your body's
Minuto?
flowing.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's going to need 1 more minute and he's going to be ready to roll.
Wow.
Okay?
Referee
When
is
I'm done,
really
I'll tell
giving
you.
this guy a lot.
Okay, hold on. Stay there, stay there.
That's actually
Stay
that's very, very
stay
nice
there.
for the ref na hindi niya
Scored
disqualify
a knockdown. It was accidental
Pagara.
in the front. No points.
Yeah, because
This was
usually nung
accidental.
natalo si
No
Roy
points.
Jones dati,
No points.
it was
Scored a
because
knockdown.
they faked.
Scored a knockdown. Scored a knockdown.
So they scored a
Do not do
knockdown.
that again. It's bad news. You ready?
So that's
Warning,
good. That's a
strong
good
warning
warning.
para kay
Yes.
ano. Pagara. Tingnan natin how that may change things here dito.
Time.
End of the round.
Good round.
Okay, tignan natin muli no nito ang nangyari. Okay, action mula sa round 2.
So he throws that straight, and then he went, and you would think it was going to go up, and that's why Jack Reese was saying he's giving him the benefit of the.
It's Albert.
Box.
Ngayon, tignan natin kung magbago ang takbo ng fight because of that. O medyo maagang aggressive si Gonzalez.
Let him go,
body
Albert.
shot.
Let him go.
Again, Albert going into the blind spot.
Prince Albert Pagara naka-isang knockdown sa round 2.
Oh, good combination.
Kombinasyon mula kay Prince Albert.
Ang ganda ng combination. Upper,
Wow.
body, head.
Up and down.
And this Gonzalez is very tough.
He's
Grabe.
tough, ha?
Ilang beses na eh.
Oo.
Ilang beses na tamaan na malakas. And he still keeps coming forward.
Tough hombre. Taga Nicaragua.
Good straight.
Sugod ng sugod.
The good thing for Pagara is ang taas ng yung kamay niya, yung defense is high.
Yun nga sinasabi nyo, no? That defense in this fight will go a long way
Yes.
against a hard-hitting guy. Like, pero ngayon, nakatali sila.
And you can
Cuidado con la
see na
cabeza.
parang
Stop. Cuidado con la cabeza.
the roughness of the opponent because he throws in the back of the head,
Yes,
top of the
yes.
head. Talagang magulan yung style niya.
Kaya nga hindi ito madaling fight para kay Pagara. Gonzalez. Oh!
Beautiful straight.
Ayun naman, mga
But
power
good counter
shots.
back.
Ilang beses nang lumaban dito sa Amerika si Gonzalez. So definitely more experience.
uppercut.
Good uppercut from Pagara.
Very
right
good uppercut.
Nandito sila sa harap namin. Naririnig namin ang bawat suntok. Ang sakit!
Ang ganda ng style ni